Hi! So today we are learning a new sound, and this sound is f. Now this is a special one because today it is the 1st of February and that begins with f. Blossom's going to help me sing the song for this one. Are you ready?
My friends and I went to the beach with our floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Can you do that? Give it a go. Let's sound out some words with the f sound in. F-ed, f-ed, fed. If we were to put this word in a sentence, we could say, I fed my fish. Here's my next word. F-a-n, f-a-n, fan. Here's a word that's linked with some books this week. F-r-o-g, f-r-o-g, frog. Well done. And my last word, let's sound out the letters. F-ist, f-ist, fist. That would be if you're making a fist with your hand. Fist. Great sounding out. Now when we're drawing the F, we go around the petals, down the stem and out for the leaf. Around the petals, down the stem and out for the leaf. And for the capital F, we go from the sky straight down, lift off, across and across. Down, lift off, across and across. So today it's a new month. It is the 1st of February 2021. And so for February, we put the number 2 because it's the 2nd month in the year. I've got my F in the corner and I have my F letters already on the line to help me. Today, I'd like to draw pictures first. Can you guess the first thing I'm going to draw beginning with a F? You guessed it, it's a fish. How about my next picture? What have I drawn? A flower. I'm now going to write the word frog. F-r-o-g. Around the petals, down the stem, out for the leaf.